Meaning of effectively.
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 Effectively. Effectively refers to doing something in a way that achieves the desired result or goal. It signifies an efficient and successful approach towards accomplishing a specific task or objective. In essence, being effective means producing the desired outcome with minimal wasted effort or resources. It implies that one has achieved what they set out to do, met or exceeded expectations, and made a measurable impact. Being effective is crucial in achieving success, whether it be in personal or professional endeavors, and is an important attribute to strive for.